friends, Kat right here. I'm so excited about this video because we are doing a white stone makeover right here next to our patio. White stones can be used in any landscape to beautify it. We built this about 3 years ago and bushes there got torn up by the chickens. This tree, half of it is dead. So we're giving it a facelift. So yes, stick around. Okay, we got 4 total steps to this project. We got a tree to chop down and throw away. We've got a small retention wall that Shiloh is building over there to keep the stones in. Then we have 3 grass plants and some rock chips to spread. So yes, 4 steps. Here we go. The first step to this project is Josh is chopping that tree down. Now that half of it is dead, he's taking our wonderful Ego chainsaw and just chopping it up, and I'm sure we'll be digging up some of those roots. So.
That thing rocks, dude. It's like the one thing that you for sure need to like convert to battery first is chainsaws.
Is the chainsaw.
Trying to fight with that thing and get it started every year. You're like worn out by the time the chainsaw goes.
You have to pull and pull and pull. The very important part is that you have a border around it to keep those stones in. Okay, well Shiloh's taking those bricks. He's making a small little line or a retention wall right there, probably about 2 to 1 bricks level to keep those stones from falling this way. We need to take all these stones and throw them up. Because yeah, those chickens and the dogs will come up and they kind of run around right there, and then it makes the stones fall down this small little hill, but we need to... The next step to this project is to plant those pretty grass plants. We found these very beautiful pots in our garage. They've been sitting there for quite a while. Josh has chopped off the bottom. Now we're gonna use them as kind of a decorative pot. Okay, well, I got 2 of my grass plants all planted in those beautiful pots. Okay guys, we are on step 4 of this project. We have those stones to lay out. So yes, white marble chips, we're gonna lay them out. White stones can be used in any landscape to beautify it. Okay guys, we are all done with this project. That turned out so awesome. This part is gonna be beautiful. Once those grass plants grow up, it'll fill this in and you can see the arbor now that we got rid of that other tree. So remember, work hard, play hard. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.